The Roman Empire spanned continents, but its true strength lay in its roads. These ancient highways were the backbone of Roman civilization, enabling the empire to flourish and expand its influence far beyond the city of Rome. These roads connected distant provinces, allowing soldiers, goods, and messages to move with unprecedented speed. For the first time in history, people could travel vast distances with a sense of security and reliability, knowing the roads would guide them safely. Roman roads were marvels of engineering, multi-layered, expertly paved, and built to last. Their construction involved careful planning, skilled labor, and innovative techniques that set new standards for infrastructure. Over 400,000 kilometers of roads unified the empire, radiating from Rome itself. This vast network made the empire feel smaller and more connected, bringing people and places together like never before. The phrase, "all roads lead to Rome," was a literal truth, with every major road beginning at the Golden Milestone in the Roman Forum. This symbolic center marked the heart of the empire, from which all distances were measured. These roads enabled rapid military response, safe travel for officials, and thriving trade. Merchants, messengers, and armies all relied on these routes to keep the empire strong and prosperous. More than just military tools, they spread Roman law, language, and culture, forging a shared identity across diverse peoples. The roads became channels for ideas, customs, and innovations, weaving the fabric of Roman society. Many modern highways in Europe still follow the routes first laid by Roman engineers. Their vision continues to shape the way we travel and connect today. Their principles, solid foundations, layered construction, and effective drainage, remain fundamental to road building today. The durability of these roads is a testament to Roman expertise and attention to detail. Exploring Roman roads reveals the essence of Roman ingenuity and ambition. Walking these ancient paths, we can still sense the determination and vision that built an empire. They didn't just build roads, they built the connections that shaped the future. The Roman road network laid the groundwork for centuries of communication, commerce, and cultural exchange. The legacy of Roman roads is a testament to their enduring vision, reminding us that great achievements can stand the test of time and continue to inspire generations. Roman road construction began with expert surveyors, the grammatici, who were highly trained in the art of measuring and mapping the land. Their job was to plot the straightest, most efficient routes possible, often cutting through hills, forests, and even marshes to maintain a direct line. Using ingenious tools like the groma and chorobots, they marked out precise lines and gradients, ensuring the road would be level and stable across the landscape. Once the path was set, legions of workers, often Roman soldiers, began the back-breaking task of digging a deep trench, known as the fossa, to form the road's foundation. The depth of this trench varied with the terrain. In rocky areas, they dug down to bedrock for maximum stability, while in marshy ground, they drove in wooden piles to support the road above the soft earth. This careful excavation was essential, as it provided a stable, well-drained base that would resist shifting and erosion over time. The sides of the trench were kept firm and vertical, meticulously prepared to receive the layers of stone and gravel that would follow. Manual laborers, using only simple hand tools, moved tons of earth and rock, shaping the land itself to carve out the future of the empire. Drainage was a priority from the very beginning. Trenches and side ditches were built in to channel water away, preventing flooding and damage to the roadbed. This attention to detail at the foundation stage was crucial for the road's legendary durability, allowing Roman roads to withstand centuries of use and harsh weather. The Romans built not just for the present, but for generations yet unborn, ensuring their roads would serve the empire for centuries to come. Their roads began with a solid, unyielding base, an essential secret to their endurance, and a testament to Roman engineering genius. Roman roads were built in 4 layers, each with a specific function. The bottom layer, statumen, was made of large stones for stability. Above it, the ruderatio consisted of smaller stones and gravel, compacted for strength and drainage. The third layer, nucleus, was a thick mix of sand, gravel, and lime, an early form of concrete. This waterproof core bound the structure together and protected the lower layers. The top layer, pavimentum, was made of tightly fitted stone blocks, often basalt, forming a smooth, durable surface. The road surface was cambered, higher in the middle, to shed water efficiently. This multi-layered system was the secret to Roman roads' resilience. Each layer worked together to distribute weight, prevent water damage, and ensure longevity. The result are roads that have survived for millennia. Roman engineering set the standard for road construction ever since. The cambered shape of Roman roads was a stroke of genius. Water ran off the curved surface into side ditches, keeping the road dry and intact. This simple design protected the crucial layers beneath from erosion and frost damage. Parallel drainage ditches channeled runoff safely away. The Romans mastered water management, ensuring their roads could withstand centuries of use. Modern highways still use this principle, a direct legacy of Roman engineering. The humble curve of a Roman road is a lasting symbol of practical brilliance. Roman roads were designed for efficiency and safety. Main highways were about 4.2 meters wide, enough for 2 carts to pass. Raised sidewalks, or margines, ran alongside for pedestrians and riders, keeping traffic organized. Near towns, these sidewalks were especially important for heavy foot traffic. The total width, including sidewalks, could exceed 10 meters. Natural obstacles like rivers were met with stone bridges, built using arches for strength and durability. Temporary wooden cofferdams allowed construction in riverbeds. Once the keystone was set, the arch became self-supporting. Roman bridges, like the Ponts Fabricius and Pont du Gard, still stand as testaments to their skill. These structures kept roads straight and uninterrupted, taming the landscape. Roads and bridges together showcased Rome's power to shape the world. Roman roads are famous for their straightness, a symbol of imperial will. Engineers cut through hills, built embankments, and even tunneled through mountains to maintain direct routes. Massive cuttings and aggers kept roads level and well-drained. Tunneling, though rare, was a remarkable feat. Workers met in the middle with astonishing accuracy. The Cocchius Tunnel near Naples is a prime example of this determination. The straight roads were more than efficient. They projected Roman authority and discipline. Minor roads might follow the land's contours, but imperial highways imposed order on nature. The relentless pursuit of straight lines was both practical and psychological. Roman roads demonstrated that nothing, not even mountains, could stand in the way of the empire. Their roads were monuments to power and resolve. Roman milestones, or miliaria, marked every Roman mile along major roads. These stone columns provided distances, directions, and the names of emperors who built or repaired the road. The Golden Milestone in Rome was the symbolic center of the network. Milestones made travel predictable and efficient for soldiers, officials, and merchants. They also served as imperial propaganda, reminding travelers of Rome's reach and the emperor's beneficence. The system enabled precise planning for the military and the imperial postal service. The cursus publicus, relay stations or mutationes, allowed for rapid communication and fresh horses. Milestones transformed the road network into a navigable, measured system. This organization was vital for controlling the vast empire. Roman roads and milestones made the world feel smaller and more connected. The Roman road network was a marvel of connectivity and engineering, with key routes like the Via Appia, the Queen of Roads, linking Rome to distant provinces across the vast empire. These roads were meticulously planned, often stretching in straight lines for miles, and constructed with layers of stone to withstand centuries of use and the elements. Roads were often named after the officials who commissioned them, immortalizing their legacy in stone and history. These milestones and markers not only guided travelers, but also served as enduring reminders of Rome's administrative reach. As the empire expanded, roads like the Via Domitia in Gaul and Ermine Street in Britain extended Roman influence into new territories, connecting far-flung regions to the heart of the empire and facilitating cultural exchange. These roads served military, commercial, and communication needs, enabling rapid troop movement, bustling trade, and swift official messaging. They became the arteries through which the lifeblood of the empire flowed. The cursus publicus, Rome's sophisticated postal system, relied on these roads for speed and efficiency, with way stations and relay points ensuring messages and goods could travel great distances without delay. The phrase, "all roads lead to Rome," reflected the network's radial design, with highways converging on the capital from every direction, making Rome the true center of the ancient world. This system unified the empire, both physically and symbolically, allowing people, ideas, and cultures to move freely and shaping a shared Roman identity. Even today, the saying endures as a metaphor for many paths leading to one destination, reminding us of the enduring legacy of Roman innovation and unity. The Roman road network was the backbone of an empire and a lasting symbol of its power, ambition, and vision for the future. All roads, in the end, led to Rome, both in the ancient world and in the imagination of generations to come.